Rob Towner, Managing Director of Triangle Energy. Rob, thanks for your time.
No problem, pleasure.
Are you able to give us a little bit of the background to Triangle?
Sure, Triangle is an ASX listed company and we've been operating in the Perth Basin since 2016. Firstly through the acquisition of an interest from AWE, and finally we completed 100% with a partner in 2017.
And what are some of the key selling points, if you like, to the assets?
For the Cliffhead asset, or the Cliffhead oil field, and within Triangle is an oil producer, currently doing 800 barrels of oil a day, but we'll be moving to 1,000 barrels next month when we replace one of the pumps, which is normal course of business. We have begun a subsurface review 12 months ago to look at where we have potential for additional oil to add on to our recoverable reserves currently of 1.7 million barrels. It looks like a recent announcement announced to the ASX, we could have prospective contingent resources of another 3 million barrels, and that's within the existing Cliffhead field.
And will infrastructure play a role in how that exploration/development production plan rolls out?
Yes, well it is actually critical, but it's also was one of the main reasons we bought into the Cliffhead field. Onshore we have a processing facility capable of producing 15,000 barrels a day, and it's doing 1,000. So any additional new oil that can be produced will be quickly sent to market within our existing processing facility.
What are some of the recent milestones the company's achieved?
More recently, I guess I'd go back to 2 years ago, starting then when we'd been in this business for a year. We drilled an exploration well, Xanadu 1, which is again south of our Arrowsmith facility under a joint venture. That was successful. In October 2017, we also sold our gas asset in Queensland, which is a conventional gas and coal seam gas project, into a new IPO called State Gas Limited for shares. Triangle own 47 million of those shares, which is currently worth $30 million to us.
Looking forward?
Looking forward, almost a continuous upward move, but sort of more focused definitely on Cliffhead. That's where we can get oil to market first in terms of additional reserves. It'll be very interesting. We've got a drilling program that starts in 2 weeks with our company State Gas that we own shares in. They've got 2 deep wells to align with the well that was drilled in December. And finally, we look to go into a final investment decision on that Cliffhead expansion in the next 6 months.
And you like the Perth Basin, clearly?
Yes, we took, again, our strategy was counter-cyclical back when we first invested, in that not only was it counter-cyclical and oil prices had dropped, but the Perth Basin had been very much a basin that had been unexplored. And I think since that time we've seen our Xanadu well discovery, which is a new oil discovery, and we've obviously seen what's happened in the last 6 weeks with Strike Energy and Warrego Energy. And that only comes through active and aggressive drilling in the basin, which hasn't happened for a long time.
As you say, an active and aggressive driller in the basin. Exciting times ahead. Rob, thanks for your time.